We are ready to go. Woo! Woo! Let's do it! Oh man. There is nothing more classic than the Coney Island Cyclone. Aw, crap! No! Here we go! Woo! Ready to slam! Oh yeah! I see some new wood! Woo! Oh, it's bouncy! Oh, my titties are jiggling! Woo! Oh, it's a man movie love fest! Woo! Oh! Woo! Oh! You hurt me so good, Coney Island Cyclone! Woo! Oh! They rearranged my man tits. My left one's now on the right side.
One more time?
Sure! Woo! One more time! 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 Woo! Here we go, guys! Who's ready back there?
Woo! Yeah!
All right. How's it going in the back? Oh, everybody needs double rides in the back seat on the Coney Island Cyclone. Woo! Oh. All right, so we'll see on the second ride if my man boobies change back. Because last time my left one became the right one became the left. So, and I'm not used to that. If I want to lick the left one, I don't want to go to the right. Here we go. Whoa! Woo! Oh! Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh! Oh! New York City, baby. Coney Island Cyclone. Oh crap, here comes the band booby jiggle! Oh, oh, they switch sides again! Woo! Oh! Woohoo! Oh man! Oh! Woo! Oh yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! TPR! Woo!
Send it out?
Sure, send it through, send it through.
Send it?
Send it!
One more time!
One more time!
Go, go, go!
Go!
Triple ride, triple ride, triple ride, triple ride, triple ride, triple ride. Woo! How are you guys doing in the back? You know, I think the best way to introduce someone to the Coney Island Cyclone is 3 rides in a row in the back seat. I mean, yeah, I mean, it's the best way to lose your virginity, so, you know. Oh, crap. Remain seated, please. I couldn't go anywhere if I wanted to. It's such a beautiful view from right here. And then you die. Oh, yeah! Yes! Oh, hello, Coney Island Cyclone. You are beautiful. Whoa! Woo! Holy triple ride shit. Woohoo! Oh! Hello, beautiful wooden coaster. This is how I like to wake up in the morning. Whoa! Whee! Oh my God, are those steel supports? Oh no, people are gonna think it's a hybrid. Oh, boobies. Shit, they switched back again. Oh, oh, oh. Whoa. Damn it, my own boobies are swapped again. All right. Woo! So remind me if I'm gonna lick my left nipple like now, I gotta lick my right one.
Y'all want a break?
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Woo! All right, that was amazing.